Hello friends, I am Mahantapal. Now, in this presentation, I will discuss about the number system theory. To know about number system, we have to know what is number. So, friends, from our childhood days, we have to count many things, like when our parents or mom taught with for normal counting or basic counting. They asked that how many fingers in your hand, how many persons in the room, etc., etc., like that. So we have to count by some symbol or some terms like one, two, three, four. This is the numbers we have to use to count. By definition of number, we can say that it is a symbolic representation of a quantity. Otherwise, we can say that uh, measuring unit of a quantity, means how to measure a quantity, how to represent a quantity. That is basically the number. As I mentioned in how many fingers, five fingers. How many person in room, suppose there is 10 person in room. So this 5, 10, all are examples of numbers. uh, when we come to higher classes, higher studies, uh, we learn that there is several kind of number, like even number, odd number, prime number, composite number, negative number, positive number, whole number, decimal number, all things. And this is basic number, and we know about that, what is these things. But mainly the numbers are of two types, which is real number and complex number. What we discussed, these number types are basically all number are belongs to real numbers, and complex number is another thing which you will be know from furthermore higher studies. Now this video only we discuss about the real number. By definition, real number, we can say that it is the union of rational numbers and irrational numbers. Then what is rational numbers and what is irrational numbers? That we will discuss. And some another kind of sets are there in real number set, that is natural number, uh, whole number, integers, and the two numbers rationals and irrationals numbers. So further we will discuss about these whole things. So what is natural number? Guys, you know the number line. There is a straight line where the center is 0, and if we move to the right side, it gives the number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinity. And if we go to the left of 0, then it gives the numbers like -1, -2, -3, -4, and like that. So when we move from the right side of 0, we got some number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All these numbers are natural number set. Okay, but in this natural number, if we include 0, means if we start from 0, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinity, this set is called as whole number set. And what is integer set? The total number and consist of which kind of numbers? Whole numbers it will consist, means like 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. And in left side of 0 there is some other numbers, -1, -2, -3, -4. So all these numbers consist the set Z. that is integer set. Okay, so all whole numbers and all negative numbers like -1, -2, -3, all this belongs to the integer set. Now come to the rational number part. What is a rational number? A number that can be represented as p by q form, means in a quotient form, fraction form, where p is numerator and q is denominator, and here q should not be equal to 0. Okay, so which kinds of numbers are there? What is the examples of that numbers? Suppose 1 by 2, -3 by 2, 1 by 7, 1 by 3. Okay, and similarly, what is irrational numbers? The numbers which cannot be represented as p by q form. Okay, then what is the difference between rational number and irrational number? What is the basic difference? How to know which is rational, how to know which is irrational? For that reason, I just put a example like 1 by 2. What is the value of 1 by 2? 1 by 2 value is 0.5. Then I put example 1 by 3, that is equal to 0.3333333. Here 3 repeats up to infinite time. And another example is there 1 by 7. What is that? 1 by 7 is that 0.142857, 142857, 142857. Here one thing you can notice that after decimal in 1 by 3, 3 repeats. In 1 by 7, after decimal, 142857 repeats in a pattern. Means we know the further number of this term. So this is rational number. But if we take suppose root 3. So what is the root 3 value? The root 3 value is 1.7320508075 and so on. But you don't know which is the further term, and you have to do manually up to certain number, but you don't know the pattern. Okay, like 1 by 3 and 1 by 7, and in 1 by 2 you see this is only 0.5, no other terms are there, means the process is terminated, no further terms are there after 5. But in case of root 3 value, no such cases seems here. Here is the infinity terms which we do not know, we have to count manually. Similarly, root 3, root 2, root 7, you know pi value also 3.141 something, don't know exact value. So this is the difference between rational number and irrational numbers. And here I put a number line to be more clarification. You see in number lines there is a center term 0, and right side terms 1, 2, 3 up to infinity, and left side term -1, -2, infinity. Okay, minus infinity. And in second picture you see that there is some decimal terms also, because this is a real number line, that's why all kinds of numbers are present in numbers real line. Okay, now now I put a Venn diagram of real number. Why? Because from definition we know real number is union of rational number and irrational number. So guys, from the Venn diagram you can see that there is two terms, rational and irrational numbers. Irrational numbers is another part, And in rational number part, you see the integers are there. In integers, the whole numbers are there, and in whole number set, the natural numbers are there. Means the whole rational number set consisting integer set, which consist whole number set, which consist natural number set. And by this union of rational number and irrational number, the real number can be formed. So guys, this is all about real number. And when you go to the further classes, upper standards, you will learn about complex number also. And thank you for giving me this opportunity. If you give me more chances, then I will explain it more clearly, and I will go further more about mathematics topic and science topic. Thank you.